Hi friends, Amy Sandhu here, a beautiful life YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe. Welcome to Italy, the home of pizza. Today we are diving into rich history and art of crafting authentic Italian pizza. Pizza, as we know, it originated in Naples in the 18th century. It was a humble dish for the working class topped with simple ingredients. The Margherita pizza, named after Queen Margaret of Savoy, was created in 1989. Featured the colors of Italian flag, red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basils. Welcome to Italy, a country famous for its rich history, cuisines, and breathtaking landscaping. Magical world of Italy's sea caves, natural wonders that have captivated adventurers for centuries. It's a beautiful country, very nice people, very safe, the music. Discovering Albarbello, the truly capital of Pugile. The truly date back in the 14th century and were built using a dry stone techniques, meaning no mortars were used. This construction allowed for easy dismantled, a useful feature for avoiding taxing during the kingdoms of Naples. It's beautiful area, beautiful houses. If you ever in truly the museum, it's the vibrance, the community rich in culture, created handmade crafts, delicious traditional food, pasta, local olive oils, and each and every shop have a name on the top of truly. And when you enter inside the truly, in the house is like a full house. Don't miss the Truly Museum, where you can learn more about history and construction of these fantastic building. It provides insight into the life of the Truller's developers and the evaluation of his unique architecture style. Albarnbella hosts various festivals throughout the year, celebrating its cultures and tradition. The Festival of Saint Antonio in June, and the Christmas markets draw visitors from near and far, showcasing the town's lovely spirit.